So good morning, guys. It is the next day, and yeah, I got the same thing I had on from yesterday. We all do it, don't judge. But I'm about to take my son to this. I guess it's an ice skating thing. I don't know. Our next door neighbor had invited us to go with her and her son, so that's what we're on our way to now. And I'm kind of in a rush because we're running a little bit late, just a little bit. And it's raining outside. It's horrible.
I want to eat some ice cream. I want to drink the ice cream.
Drink the rain. So now, get on your side. It's raining. Hold on, I want to get my phone wet. Woo. Woo. Open the door. Just make sure you put your seatbelt on. Because we gotta go. Alright. I'm gonna try to start vlogging once I get into place. I told her I was gonna be there. Well, she said it started at 12. I told her I was gonna get there like 12:45, but it's 11. I told her I was gonna get there at 11:45, but it's 11:45 now. But it's literally right down the street, so it ain't gonna take me that long. So I'll see you guys.
Oh, number 57, Rowan Salpati. Oh, number 12, Matt Moore. Oh, number 41, Alan Severe.
So we watched a little bit of the hockey game, and we about to go watch my neighbor do ice skating lessons. She's a coach, so we're about to go do that, and then probably gonna leave and go home after this. We're not doing much. So there's my neighbor right there in the blue and black tights, and she's doing some coaching. Hey guys, so today is, what today is? I forgot. Today is Thursday. Yeah, so today is Thursday, and I'm headed to my friend Jonah's house, and we're about to go have some breakfast, and then we're gonna, well, she's going to the airport, and I'm dropping her off at the airport because she's going to Florida to visit her aunt. So yeah, she's gonna be there for a couple of days, and yeah, I'm just giving her a ride, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know where we're gonna eat breakfast at, but I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day, and I'm starving. Breakfast is like the most important meal for me. Like, I know most people don't eat breakfast, but me, I need breakfast. I need something on my stomach, like, to start my day. So, and yeah guys, I'm trying to like get situated with this whole like try-on haul. Like I bought a few pieces from Pretty Little Thing, and I bought some things from Fashion Nova, and I just bought some other random pieces from my local retail stores. And I'm trying to do like a try-on haul type video, but unfortunately a lot of things came late, and then I had to return some items. I hate returning things, but I will return if it don't fit. I'm just not gonna keep it and just hold on to it because I don't want to return it. Like, I'm gonna return it and get my money back or exchange it or whatever. So yeah, I'm trying to get like a try-on haul going on, like a winter try-on haul. I'm trying to do one for me and then one for my son. So that's the plan. My arm is hurting holding this camera. I really need to get one of those little things that go up here. What do you call it? The tripod car holders. I need to get one of those. Sorry. I got one, but it's for my GoPro. But I don't know if it'll work for this camera, because my arm is hurting holding the camera like this and then trying to drive with the other hand. So yeah, I'm on my way to my friend's house, so I guess I'll see you guys when we're at whatever restaurant we're going to. I don't really know yet. I'm a picky eater, so I mean, breakfast places is, you know, I guess I'm not too picky with that, but yeah, probably go to IHOP or Denny's. That's if we even have time, because I forgot what time she said her flight takes off. What you usually get?
Sandwiches, but I think.
Oh, you gonna get a sandwich?
I just want a bagel since you mentioned it.
I'll just do it on your ticket.
Okay, yeah.
I'm just getting a butter roll. Guys, so we in Wawa's right now. We decided not to go to a breakfast restaurant. Girl, you're gonna have to get used to this. Like, what? Get used to me talking to the camera. She treating me to Wawa's breakfast because I'm taking her to the airport. Wawa's be having like a little bit of everything. Look at they donuts. I don't think I need that. I'm just gonna get me something to drink. Let's see. I'm gonna get me an orange juice. Need the one in the back so it's nice and cold. And I'm wanting some peanut butter M&M's. Oh, here it is. Love these. What you get? Oh, you gonna get something to drink?
I don't see no lock.
Huh?
Nothing like that. I need a lock.
Oh, a lock. They usually be up here, if they do have it. We may just have to stop at AutoZone. You don't think you're gonna need like no Tylenol just because you get a headache? I know airports sometimes give me a headache. So my friend had to go on AutoZone to see if she can get a lock for her suitcase, and I'm over here about to eat my little Wawa's breakfast. I don't know if you guys have a Wawa's near your area, but I think it's an East Coast thing mostly. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to eat this, and I have an orange juice in the bag, and my little peanut butter M&M's. I really need to get one of those car things, car mounts, I think they call it.
It's alright. I'll find a chapstick somewhere, girl. He said it's a Dollar Tree, but we gotta go. I gotta check my shit. 10:30.
Oh, look at. Oh, you wanna eat wait for 10 minutes and then go?
Oh, you could eat.
You finished?
Hmm?
You finished?
Girl, I'm you're the driver, so it's okay.
Okay, let me take a couple bites and I'll be ready.
Let me go check in.
Wait, let me help you get your bag. Oh shit, I don't hit the doggone. I don't hit the gas thing. Don't mind my little trunk. That tire, that's the spare tire that I had.
I need to close this thing.
Oh yeah, this is pretty big. Yeah, I see what you mean. You can't put this on the overhead. Yeah, I will come in with you for a little bit, but I would have to. They not gonna let me but too far. You know where you sit by your gate. They not gonna let me through there. I don't think. They may.
I can't close this damn thing. I got too much stuff in. I'm gonna take.
They gonna make you throw that water away.
They are.
They may. They want you to buy their water. You know how they are. Look at that.
It's not gonna fit, girl.
Yeah, look at that. Let me see.
Does it?
See, look at that. There you go.
About it, huh?
Bye, Jonah.
Oh, thank you, Angela.
You have a safe flight. That's so good. You have a safe flight, girl.
Thank you.
I wish I was coming with you. If you get bored, just call me. All right, have a safe travel. Don't talk to strangers. Let me call her. I just want to make sure before I pull off, that everything is fine. I don't like, when I drop people off at the airport, I like to wait a few minutes because you never know. With airports, I'm telling you, like, I do not like airports. It's like always something with airports, like delays, problems with your luggage.
Yeah, girl.
Girl, before I pull off, I just want to know everything all right. I don't want to leave and then, you know. Did you find?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. I'm about to go check in.
Okay, so you found your airlines and everything?
No, I'm trying to find them there, girl. So I follow the traffic so I can see where to check in at.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll call you once I get situated.
Okay, I just like to check before I pull off.
Yeah, you fine. I thought I left my keys, but they was in my pocket.
Oh, so. No, you didn't leave nothing. All right. All right, I'll let you get situated. Call me a little bit later.
Okay.
All right, bye. All right, so she's good to go. Okay guys, so I got an hour before it is time for me to pick up my son, so I'm pretty tired. I mean, my day went by pretty fast. I pretty much didn't do much. I just got up this morning, got my son ready for school, and I dropped him off. I came back here, I took a shower, I got dressed, and I went to go pick up my friend, took her to the airport, came straight back to the house, and pretty much I just needed to tidy up. Not too much cleaning, I just needed to tidy up a little bit. So I did that, as you guys just saw. And yeah, so yeah, I'm about to leave in a little bit. I'm just gonna relax, chill, and then pick up my son from school. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.